Part 2, Hyperemia and Congestion. This covers our NMC Competency PA 6.2. Both mean increased blood volume in tissue, but the vibe is different. Hyperemia is the active process. It's like a blush. Arteriolar dilation leads to increased inflow. Tissue is red and warm, for example in exercise or inflammation. Congestion is a passive process. It's like a traffic jam, impaired outflow. The tissue is blue or cyanotic and cool, for example, cardiac failure and DVT. Let's see the clinical morphology of the nutmeg liver. This is a favorite exam question. In chronic passive congestion of the liver, usually due to right heart failure, the central veins get congested, causing red or brown dots. The surrounding hepatocytes undergo necrosis because they are furthest from this oxygen supply. The periportal hepatocytes are viable. This is the fatty change. Gross appearance, it looks like a cut nutmeg or mottled red and tan. The mottled red is the congested part and the tan part is the fatty or viable tissue. Let's integrate this vertically with medicine. Patients with right heart failure present with hepatomegaly and jugular venous distension. The nutmeg liver is the pathological basis of that tender hepatomegaly.